Hello YouTube, this is Mike, and today will be open. If you like this video, give me 5 hearts, and if you're my mom watching this, please enjoy, and I love you. Today we'll be opening a Kinex Angry Birds Christmas minifigures. So let's open. We've got Chuck with a golden egg. It's like Chuck's so rare I can find. So the commons are Bubbles, Red, Blue, and a pig with a Santa hat. And the rares are Bomb, Piggy, and Chuck. And the elite is Matilda and a minion, just a normal minion kit. So, here we go. Alright, here's Chuck completely built, and he also has his golden egg. So it looks like in the back, you can launch him off a slingshot so you can defeat those piggies. So, if you like this video, give me 15 hearts and let me get something real quick. Hey Daddy, can I get the dog out real quick? No, just real quick. I'm just gonna say, look, just...
Mike, you're wasting video time. Did you pause it?
No, I can't. It's already...
Don't worry about the dog, Mike. Leave the dog in there. And if you're not pausing it, you're not going to be able to upload the video to YouTube.
So, YouTube, thank you for watching. Have a good day.